Autodesk has made improvements to the way that Simulation CFD users can gain high-fidelity results. We're going to discuss mesh adaptation using the ball valve that you see here. I already set up the material and boundary conditions, and we used the auto size option under mesh settings for the first iteration. Under the solve settings, we can enable adaptation, decide how many refinements we want to make to the mesh, save the results for each study so we can compare the mesh plots, and finally mesh coarsening is available for areas that have low flow gradients. Let's take a look at the results. I'm going to take two images of the velocity plot, one that shows the mesh and one without. In the Decision Center, we can then display the mesh for each of the mesh refinements that were made. And here, I'm going to drag and drop the refinements in order, beginning with the auto size option we used as a baseline. In each of the following studies, you will notice that it used the flow gradient to decide where to add more elements for the next scenario. And this will ensure that our results and flow profile will be accurate. We could then view the same images with the mesh hidden. Once again, you will notice what happens to the velocity profile as additional refinements are made to the mesh based on those areas where you'll find high flow gradients.